Hi guys, today I'll show you the amazing screen mirroring app for iPhone X, which is a power mirror. On your computer's browser, visit the site to download the program and install it on your computer. Open the application once installed. On your iPhone X, show up the control center and tap the screen mirroring button. Next, choose the name that displays a power soft. Your iPhone screen then will be mirrored on your computer screen. You can start playing games on your device, just simply click this button to start recording your gameplay. If you wish to stop the recording, just simply click this button. Capturing the screen of your device is also possible. You can also view your device's screen in full screen mode. In addition to that, you may stream music stored on your device.
Beauty queen of only 18, she had some trouble with herself. He was always there to help her.
Furthermore, you may also run other apps like Calculator and use the whiteboard marker to draw lines, shapes, and figures. To exit the full screen mode, just click this button. Once you are done, open the control center and click the stop mirroring to disconnect your device. And that is the amazing screen mirroring app for iPhone X. Thank you for watching.